guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I created this look. I still don't know what I'm gonna name this look. Can you comment down below and name this look if you have any idea what to name this look? But for me, this is my get ready with me look. If I'm going to a party, this will be very perfect. So let's go ahead and start. But before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Also click the notification bell beside the subscription button so that you will be notified every time I'm going to upload each and new videos. Also like this video if you do. Share this with your friends, and without further ado, let's go ahead and start. My face is just nothing, as in nothing pretty much to my face, and I'm gonna use this one from Celeteque Dermo-Science Hydration Facial Moisturizer. Actually, almost like that. I love this one because it really hydrates my skin all day. I'm just going to wait till everything sets in to my skin, and I'll be right back. Okay, so for the next part is my foundation, and I'm going to use this one from CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous in shade 215, and I'm just going to get a little bit of that at the back of my hand. Okay, so I'm just going to pop that into this sides of my face. I'm going to use my brush right here. This is just a kabuki brush, and it doesn't have any brand label because I just bought it from Lazada. I'm just going to blend my foundation downwards. Always remember to blend your foundation downwards so that your foundation will not be cakey. I have my concealer right here. It is the Fit Me concealer. This one is from Fit Me, Maybelline. I am in shade 20, which is in Sand. I'm just going to pop that underneath my eyes because I just wanted to brighten up my under eye area. So I'm just going to blend it the same brush that I used to make foundation. This will serve as our primer. I'm going to blend it again with the same brush. Okay, now let's move on to the brows, and for that I'm going to use this one from M&Co. As you can see, I just really have a tiny pencil for my brows. So I lost my spoolie, so I'm just going to use this one, another type of spoolie, and I'm just going to brush my hair upward.
Okay, let's blend it. Okay, so I'm just going to do the same thing with the other eyebrow, and I'm going to go back. Like so. And then I'm starting to clean it. Sorry. I'm also going to do the same with the other brow, and I'm going to go back again.
Okay, so I just put some powder underneath my eyes, and I just used this one from Nichido. Next thing I would like to do is to do my eyeshadow, which is the fun part of this video. And for that, I'm going to use my Morphe 35F palette to create that shape to my crease, and I'm just going to top the excess just to my crease. So let's just put that there. Okay, next with a very small brush like this one, I'm going to get the fourth matte color in the palette, which is I think a little bit brown. And I'm just going to put it underneath my crease. I mean, just in the crease. Still focusing on my crease area. Okay, so I am done with my other eye, and here is how it looks like when it's all done. I already have my eyeliner, my false eyelashes, my tight line, and my mascara, my highlighter, and everything. Get that like that, and pack that into my outer corners, like so. Just pressing that to my skin with a soft motion. Next, we are going to blend everything using the first brush that we used a while ago, just to blend the edges. And with a different brush, this is going to get that same color and pack that into my eyes again. So, and then I'm gonna blend that upward. So I'm just going to use my middle finger, and I'm going to put that in my inner corners. And can you see how pigmented is that? This is what I love about Morphe, because they are super duper pigmented. I'm going to get again that same brush with the same color shade here, just to blend them out until everything is soft and nice. Next is go and get your big blending brush, and I have my big blending brush. This one is from Nichido. This isn't big as what you thought. This is just a medium kind of oval at the tip. This is the Nichido 235. You can definitely have this in all Nichido stores or kiosks. In the department store and in Watson's they have this one. I bought this from Watson, and I already have this for 3 years now, and it's still giving me the best that I like. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to do my eyeliner, which is the tricky part of this one, to get that kind of perfect wing eyeliner. And I pray to God that this will be as equal as possible. So I used 2 products to my eyeliner, and this one is from Sansan, their waterproof eyeliner pen, and from Nichido, their liquid eyeliner. So these 2 are different formula. One is liquid, one is pen. And I'm just going to fill it out first with this one right here. So wish me luck. So I'm going to just tilt my head up like that. And then I'm just going to connect it like that. So it is really hard to talk while doing the eyeliner, so let's just stop talking. So I'm gonna stop right there, and I am going to use the Nichido Liquid eyeliner to create that wing. So I'm just going to So just like that, and then I'm just going to connect that. And then I'm going to fill that in. Oh my god. So the next thing that I like to do is to get my eyelash curler, and I'm gonna curl my lashes. I really don't know what to say because it's been a long time since I vlogged my makeup. I think this is the recent time. I have so many makeup vlogs that I didn't upload yet. I forgot to tell you guys, if ever I forgot to mention the names of the products, I am going to list them down below at the description box, so you can definitely go and check it. Use some eyelashes, and this one is just a cheap lash which I bought in the market. So I already have my lashes on, still not yet done. We are not yet done. So I'm just going to get the same shade, that reddish brown shade, and I'm just going to like smudge that underneath my eyes. I'm starting at the outer corners all the way inwards, connecting that to my winged eyeliner. And like that. And then I'm going to put some mascara to my lower lash line. Make sure that it won't ruin your eyeshadow. I can't do this on camera. Wait. Okay, I'm just going to sharpen this thing up. Like, Okay, now let's move into the face part. So I'm just going to like remove this big thing underneath my eyes. Okay, I'm going to do the nose contour. I'm just going to get that contour shade right there. I'm just going to get that one, like a little bit of that skin shade right here. It's just a little bit of a gray to brown tone. I'm going to start where my brow started, all the way downward. Blend out using my fingertips. I like to blend my contour using my fingers. I'm going to highlight my inner corners first, because that will really give me the brightest. And then I'm going to like put that there, and then again with my fingers, just going to like put that there. And there you have it. See? Now let's move on to my face. I'm going to use this one, the Insta-Runaway Ready Contour Kit from Bobbie Cosmetics. And I'm going to bronze up my face. Let me just get all my brushes first. Okay, so I'm going first to get that bronzer shade right here. This one. And I'm going to bronze up my face with the use of a bronzer brush. Bronze up my face like that. Now let's move on to the highlighter, and this is my favorite highlighter, the highlighter that we use to my nose, which is the EV Advanced Glowout highlighter. I am in shade Strobe. I'm just going to pack that because that was so much. I'm just going to put that into the highest point of my cheek. Wait, I forgot my blush on. Oh my god. So I'm just going to use the blush right here from the palette, which is like a orangey kind of peachy, like something like that. Why the hell did I forgot to put some blushes? I don't know if you can see that glow, but this is super duper good. Okay, so for the lips, I'm going to use two products. I have here the M&Co Cosmetics Iconic Lips in Blonde Beauty and this L.A Colors GlossinGo On-The-Go Pocket Lip Gloss in shade Happy. This is one of my favorite shades. I don't want to apply too much of this lip product, so I'm just going to like went to the lip gloss, which is this one from L.A Colors. Can you see how gorgeous this lip gloss is? Spread that gloss everywhere. So here is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Follow me on my social media accounts. All of my social media accounts will be listed down below. All of the products that I used will be listed down below. Also, don't forget to give this like, subscribe, and also share this with your friends. And see you on my next one, guys. Goodbye.